So it's all strung up. I flatten the bridge by adjusting, tightening those claw screws there. I'm going to try to get that as flat as possible. It's pretty nice. The strings are still stretching. Getting some rattle somewhere. Without this. Pretty decent. The bridge pickup's not all that interesting. See, I'm getting out of tune a little bit. Tone pots are weird. Like, they just get super dark. Like, really muffled. It's interesting. Not necessarily a bad thing. The nicest sounding is definitely the bridge pickup in the 5th position. So yeah, the string resistance feels kind of whew. I think these are 10s. First thing that happened was my high E broke, so I had to break into my 9s. This is what I use on pretty much everything. I have a set of 8s, but I'm not ready to try those yet. not bad. I'll have to figure out where I'm getting buzz, because frets look level to me, but level. So could be the tension, could be the truss rod, could be the neck. But something like that anyway. Yeah, I like it. And it'll be nice to practice working on it. So I got a fret dressing file coming. Greatness. There is some hum, but there is a transformer right there for the furnace. So watch, if I turn this, a little less hum. If I face the pickups towards the transformer, bang. So I might try the shielding tape. All my guitars do it because of that transformer. Even the humbucker is a little bit, not as bad, but. I think the nut's a little high. I'm having a little bit of trouble getting clean notes without having to press down too hard. Buzzy. It's buzzy. Bridge pickup sounds good for that kind of stuff. Why can't I do that? Those 10s kill my fingers. Anyway, yeah. Needs a little work, but pretty good. I like it. It's going to be a good learning experience for $86. Vensit mat. This fret rocker is pretty damn good for the money. I don't know the consistency of quality, but Very good. One thing I want to point out, look at the string alignment. The string alignment's really good. I'm actually pretty surprised by that. Pretty. Something like that. Been a long time since I played any of that. That's Dave Mustaine. Not Metallica, did you know that?